Don't let anybody
No.
Don't let anybody recognize you. Don't let anybody recognize you.
No. That doesn't go on. That doesn't go on the old GoPro. That doesn't go on YouTube.
Cut that one out.
Morning.
Good morning.
What do you got there, dude?
A little bit of heat wave visuals.
We made it to Roseburg, Oregon.
This couple sucks.
Dude, it's Dutch Bros. You know how many people are gonna see this and be mad that you said that?
It's
Dutch Bros is supposed to be the best coffee ever.
Shout out to Pisano's
Oh.
in Monroe, Washington. Way better.
Yep. So we're headed to Portland. We're gonna get a hotel pretty close to Pat's Acres, and then today's just a chill day. Go do some fun stuff and hang out. So it's an off day.
It's gonna be sick. Trip week 3, takeover. Trevor and I. We got the old pit bike. Yeah, dude. He's a ripper, dude. I just can't get it. You got too much torque. Too much torque. You want me to?
Hill climbing.
What are we doing?
Hill climb right now. Hill climb.
Hill climbing.
Should I get that doggy?
You want to do what? That's on camera now.
Trevor, how far is he gonna make it?
Probably 4 feet past my mark.
4 feet. There's Trevor's mark. Oh shit, he's hauling. He's going fast. Go! Oh! That's about 4 feet, dude. He beat you, bro. He got to the stump. He's got you beat.
Except he didn't ride it out.
That's true, that's true. Oh, no! Dude, you got it in the face bad.
That curve came up way quicker.
Yeah. A little too hard. You alright, buddy?
You got that on video, didn't
Let me see your face. Oh, bud. You alright?
I think so.
You're a little bloody, buddy.
I got your guys.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Is there anything in your room?
Huh?
Was there anything in your room?
That's you guys?
I was like, you gotta go ask if we have to pay for this.
Mimosa, what? Damn, dude.
Hey, we got
That
you
was
guys.
tight.
We
That was
got
tight.
you guys. What happened, guys?
What was in your room?
What happened?
There's mimosas in our room. I mean, like, Kayla-sized mimosas. Those are Kayla-sized mimosas. What are we supposed to do with that? You know what? Everybody just brought them together for us.
You
We'd have a proper drink.
you crack the top. You just do a little slap of orange juice and you're good.
You just look at the OJ while you're drinking the champagne.
We got you guys. All right, just got the Top Golf with all the buddies, all the Drift HQ guys, Kayla, Kirkett, Trevor, Chris, Carlton. Made it Top Golf.
Hit the boy. That would have been great if you would have hit him.
Okay.
My boy!
boy! Yeah! Get there!
Hey, boy. Drop the mic. There it is. There he is, you see? It's all in the hips.
All right, Carlton's turn.
Yeah, Carlton's turn.
How was Top Golf?
It was pretty fun.
Yeah.
I was only 25 miles per hour shorter than you.
What'd I get? 150?
150. I was 125.
I got 150. I got him beat. Top Golf was a blast. I was Top Golf.
Dude, that was pretty good.
Hey, I was Top Golf.
Did you see my last one?
Yeah, that was ripped, dude. Kayla, Top Golf?
Awesome.
Good time.
Guaranteed hit the
Top
middle
Golf
on
was a
that one.
blast. We're heading to K1 right now. All right, update. No K1 speed. Fully booked. So that ends the day today. Had a good blast. Drove all the way back up to Portland. Had a good time. Drank a bunch of beers. Trevor smashed his face. It's okay. It's okay. Just a little smash, a little pit bike incidents. You guys will see that. There's a $100,000 Drift Week car, so that's kind of rad. Is he gonna do something cool?
He might be doing a burn.
Do it! There we go, dude. Got that on camera. That was rad, dude. So that's a F80 M3. So that's a $100,000 drift car on Drift Week. That's pretty gnarly. Let's go. Morning, guys. Trevor, how we doing, buddy?
Oh.
Update. Feeling good? Looking good?
Not bad.
All right. How you doing? Feeling good? Looking good?
Always.
All right, the boys made it with the trailer. We're here. Barely made it.
Hopefully we don't get stuck in the grass.
Yeah, hopefully we won't get stuck here in the grass. Hitch is a little low, but it's okay.
Some more gas, dude.
We got to unload everything from the trailer into the back of the truck so we can take everything up front. So that's our plan right now. Chris, good morning.
How we doing?
Good, how are you, buddy?
How you feeling this morning?
Little rough.
Made it through the rough stage.
Yeah, made it to park, checking torque on everything. We're all set up with the pit rig. Got 2 days here, really excited. I'm doing ride-alongs, so that'll be fun. Gonna have fun with that, hopefully get some ride-alongs, make some money back from this expensive trip. So thanks to Cameron Moore, got some Valinos thrown on there. I ran out of tires, so hopefully these last me the rest of the day at least. Tomorrow it's supposed to be raining, but hopefully these ones last me the rest of the day. I'd be happy with that. So car's doing good. We messed with the MR2 pump, and we finally figured out the correct way to adjust it. We actually had it on full stiff, and the big issue with that is it was just super hard to turn the car. Even when in drift, like I'm using all my arm strength. So we loosened it up for a lap, and then I went completely off course into a berm, so that was aggressive. We kind of went back half a turn, and it's okay to deal with now. It's just I'm still getting used to it. I'm not quite used to it, so it's something that we need to dial in and do during a track rental at Evergreen, to where I can really mess with it and really start feeling it out with the steering not on full stiff. So it was so stiff that my bicep starts to hurt. Like it feels like it's strained. It hurts so bad. So everything was good. Everything else is good with the car. Happy we made it this far, and excited for another day and a half. All right, we had a little bit of an accident. We're gonna squirter.
Jinx, you owe me a soda.
So yeah, it's all over the place. Landed on the headers, started smoking. Don't mind the color. My oil's green, so that's normal. Some condensation in there. I open it a little bit more.
And this is the edition Cyber Takeover Skidiots. What is going on, guys? We're here at park. This man right here, I try to climb him. I can't climb this mountain. I'm having a great time. It is awesome out here. I love the people. I love this guy right here.
Yes.
We vibed. I mean, it's hard to find people like me, and I envy him because I see me and him a whole lot. And I'm not being cocky. I'm just being honest.
Yes.
100%.
I appreciate that.
Love you guys. Love you guys.
You too, bro.
I had to take over a little bit.
Yeah,
Just a second.
yeah, you're good. You're good. Great guys, great guys. All the whole crew. Every single one of the Drift HQ guys. We love all those guys.
Drift HQ.
So yeah.
You can follow them. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. What did you get?
Well guys, I got the party animal sticker the first night for Drift Week, and I just got presented with the party animal king sticker from Drift Week. Everybody else, eat your heart out. Well guys, I got